So in our previous video, we have seen how to print a message on console. In this video, we will see how to take input from user and then print it to our console. So we will name this class as user input. And in this video, we will be taking string as input. So we are naming it as user input string. You can name it anything. And most importantly, you import a package java.util. So this has some utility classes which we will be using to take user input. So like we did in our previous video, just type main and do a control plus space. And this method will be written for you. You can type it manually as well. Now we will first show a message to user so that user knows what we want him to enter. So we'll say, please enter your name. And we will use a utility class which is named as scanner. And this is the part of this java.util package. So you need not to worry creating these things. You will just have to learn this syntax. New scanner. And here we will say system.in. This means we are taking input from keyboard. Okay. So now what we will do, we will create a string variable. We will name it as name and we will do sc.next. And then we will type syso and control space. You will get this option selected. We'll say hello. And then when we do this plus in name, so here a string concatenation is happening. Okay, whenever you do a plus, these two strings will be joined. So let's see. Let's run. Right click, run as Java application. It is saying please enter your name. So we will say okay, I will type Ankit. It will print hello Ankit. See, there is no space between these two words. So we will just give a space here. Run it. We'll see. Hello Ankit. If we type world, hello world.